You've got tension in your hips and your shoulders. You can release it through movement. So if you haven't seen my video on that, have a look at that. But you can also release it by touching yourself, releasing touch. And so this is a technique from Japanese do-in, it's often called, but it's basically tapping. And what you want to do is make a little fist with your hand and then just tap. It's especially good for areas where you have a lot of tightness, like in your hips. You can do it more lightly on your abdomen, but you can do it really quite firmly on your hips. I'll turn around so you can see. So you can really try and relax your shoulders. So it is best to have relaxed your shoulders first. And then you can really tap, tap, tap all along your sacrum into your hips. The sacrum, the bony bone at the back, tapping along to your hips. You can wiggle with it a bit as well if you want to. This is where you want to get really tight, and maybe even tapping a little bit down into your legs, the upper part of your legs. And then we can tap here more gently. You could just do a little bit of stroking. Another release, apart from tapping while we're here, is to release under your diaphragm. So put your fingers here. And as you breathe out, release, hook as deeply onto your diaphragm as you need, and then breathe in. And then you can come out, get your fingers hooking up as much as is comfortable, and then breathing in, breathing out, just moving out a bit. When you get to your floating rib, it will feel more tender. So you don't want to do that as deeply. It's more on the edge, so I don't want to go deeply here. And you can repeat this as many times as you want. It does vary from day to day how much pressure you can give. Also, don't do it when you've just eaten a meal. And then we can do a little bit of tapping along here to just help integrate that. And then I want to do a bit of tapping on our shoulders. So here, same technique, tap, 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 all along your shoulder. Coming across the center, tap, tap, tap. So we'll do it a bit longer on this side. You can go really quite firmly. You can do it into the side of your neck, but do that a bit more gently. Tap, tap, tap into your top of your shoulder. Side of your head. Can be quite nice actually to pause a moment and feel the difference between your two sides. And then go to the other side again. You can do this for as long as you want to. You could also, just to finish, yes, it can be quite nice to just open up your arms and then relax, releasing. This is all releasing touch. So releasing into your armpit, just holding up, because it's important with your hands that you don't have tension then in your hand after having used them to release. And then we're just going to find, starting from the center of the base of your skull, coming out about 2 to 3 fingers, well, just massaging all along the base of your skull. There's a few points here on the governing vessel, on the bladder meridian, on the gallbladder meridian. Just find where feels tight for you. You can give it a little bit of a massage, but you could also hold and give that as much pressure. That's a really great release, and it also opens up your armpits too. Really holding these points where you do often get a lot of tightness building up. And then this is a bit harder to do for yourself, but the top of your shoulder, the trapezius muscle, I often use when I'm doing it on myself, my middle finger. And again, it can be quite nice to massage a bit, but also then holding, you might even want to open your jaw and release this point, gallbladder 21. Very powerful downward release point. then you might want to just relax your hands a moment again, and then do the same on the other side. It's often tighter or more on one side than the other. Releasing. And then I like to come back to the center. In Japanese medicine, this is our Hara, our vital center. And you might just want to allow your body a moment to integrate all of this release by having your hands on your navel and just slowly and deeply breathing out. So I hope you enjoyed this simple practice to release tension in your hips and your shoulders. And I have longer videos, a whole do-in practice for the whole of your body if you like this approach. Thank you for watching.